I'm gonna try to start a successful dropshipping store in the next 60 minutes only using AI. AI is to find me a winning product, build my online store for me, and create hyper-realistic ads like these before this timer ends, or I will go bald. AI, you got me, right?
Of course, Logan, but you'd be even sexier bald.
Hey, yo, you're gay! Alright boys, I got limited time to do this, but when I say AI is gonna do everything, I mean it's gonna do absolutely everything. The only thing I have to do is enter my information on these AI websites and they will build it all. So if you wanna create your own dropshipping store, just copy what I do. To start, I'll head over to the first link in my description to access my AI store builder. It will choose winning products for you, then build a ready-to-sell store in less than 10 minutes on average. So I'll click build my free store, then enter my info here to sign up for a new account. Next it's time to pick my niche, aka the general category of my store. I already asked AI what to do and it said pets, so that's what I'll choose. Then here I'll select my favorite photos for my website, like this adorable bulldog shopping on the computer and these peeking pets. Now I need to create a Shopify account so the store can actually go live and get sales. So I'll click access Shopify and select the basic plan that's free for the first 3 days, then $1 for the next 3 months. This gives beginners around 90 days to run their business and see if it works before having to pay the typical price. Shout out Shopify for that goated platform, but it doesn't help me because I only have 56 minutes left to build the store. So back to it. I'll select the plan, online store, new business. Typically I'd select digital products here because that's all I've sold since 2022, but since this is a dropshipping challenge, I'll select dropshipping, skip the store name for now since AI hasn't built it yet, and bam, I have a Shopify account. Now it's time to import the pet products to my store. The AI uses AutoDS, the best dropshipping platform, to do this. So if you already have an AutoDS account like me, just log in and link it to your new Shopify. And for y'all new entrepreneurs, just follow these simple steps. It's a super easy process. Then once it's connected, the AI will build your store in a few minutes. Let's see if mine's ready yet. We'll head over to Shopify, press online store, click view your store, and yup, my store is ready in less than 10 minutes. It's crazy that AI can build you a full store this fast with all these ready to sell products. Like the colors are good, the layout's valid, it has testimonials. Man, I wish this existed in 2020 when I first started dropshipping. Y'all are lucky these days. Now, of course, I would change some things to make this site even better, but this challenge is AI only. I can't change anything or choose anything, which leads me to my products. The AI imported 10 products onto my website, but we're only gonna be making ads for one. So I asked the AI which product it likes best, and it said the pet groomer. So let's make some AI advertisements using the sponsor of today's video, Create UGC AI, which is linked in the description. Once you create your account, you'll receive a 7-day free trial to test everything out and see how you like it. To generate your first AI advertisement, click create new video. Then you'll need to paste your product link from AliExpress, Amazon, or Alibaba into here so the AI knows what product your avatar is going to hold. So I'll head over to AliExpress, copy the link of my pet beauty tool, and paste it into the UGC AI right here. Then I need to select which type of video I want the AI to create for me, a reaction style video or a product in hand review style video. Both of these work well for dropshipping ads, but I'm going to choose the product in hand style video because the AI said it strongly recommends that. Once it loads, your product's name and description will automatically be imported for you. You can change these to reflect your brand in the best way possible, but I can't change anything, so I'll click the first asset photo, then hit next. Here you can select your video's preferred posting platform, the aspect ratio, the language or the country you're selling to, and the duration of your ad. So customize this to your liking, then press next, and here you can pick the AI avatar that will hold your product. There's so many great avatars to choose from, but if you want to search for a specific one, you can filter through gender and ethnicity right here. I'll pick this girl because she looks like a pet owner, then I can select her voice here.
Welcome to Create UGC app, the #1 place for creation of UGC content.
Yeah, that sounds good. So I'll press continue, and now the AI has written the ad scripts for us. It gives you 3 valid options, but if you want to tweak them or import your own script, feel free to do so. The AI will say whatever you want. I'll select the first one because that's what AI pre-selected for me. Then if I press next and generate, it'll generate the ad for me. Bam, it's done with 44 minutes left on the clock, which means I don't have to go bald. But now we have to start a new timer and see if I can get a sale in 24 hours. But first, let's watch the ad by clicking here.
Tired of messy, expensive pet grooming sessions? Our 4-in-1 electric pet beauty tool set does it all. Clip, shave, trim, and grind nails with one device. No more tangled fur, no more stress for your pet. Quiet, powerful, and safe with rounded R blades. Stocks are running low. Pet owners everywhere are upgrading. Grab yours now before it's gone. Click to order and transform your pet care routine today.
That's pretty fire, eh? But if you don't love it, you can always press the edit button up top and add extra text, captions, or photos to make the video even better. Or you could just regenerate an entire new ad in a few minutes. So make sure you take advantage of the 7-day free trial by clicking the link in my description. Create UGC AI is a great addition to any e-commerce business. And now that my store's built and I have ads to promote it, it's time to see if AI can get me a sale. There's 2 ways to promote your e-commerce store. Paid traffic, which is when you pay for targeted ads on social media platforms to get in front of people who are likely interested in your product. And organic traffic, where you create social media accounts and post about the product like an influencer, hoping a video goes viral, getting you tons of sales for no money spent in ads, which results in higher margins. Both methods work, but in a situation like this where AI only has 24 hours to get me a sale, it's much smarter to pay for targeted ads that people are guaranteed to see versus spam posting organic content hoping a video goes viral, especially since most new accounts on social media can't even have a link in bio. TikTok needs 1,000 followers, YouTube banned links and shorts comments in 2022, which made it way harder to dropship on there. And although Instagram and Facebook let you have a link immediately, they typically ban you in the first few days for being a bot before a human reviews it and restores your account. That happened to me in a few previous challenge videos, including when I set up the golf pages last year. So let's see if AI's smart and picks paid ads, or if it wants me to fail and picks organic. Yo, should I use organic or paid ads for my dropshipping store?
Both can work, but paid ads usually scale faster.
All right, I guess we're using paid ads, baby. So let's head back to the studio and set up a TikTok ad. All right, to start, I'll name the ad Pet Clipper Ad, select the 4-in-1 pet trimmer product AI chose for me, then I'll upload the AI advertisement right here. And if you're wondering why this says Logan Ski Finance down here, it's because I linked my personal TikTok ads account to the store to ensure the ad actually runs within 24 hours. At scale, this would definitely lower the store's conversion rate, aka less people would purchase from the brand because it comes up as a random guy instead of a pet product store. But this is a better option than me creating a new account that may not run the ads at all or get banned. Then for targeting, I'll select the US only. I'll optimize the ad for purchases, paste in the description that AI just wrote for me. It's pretty bad to be honest, but I gotta go with it. Then I'll run this ad with a $50 budget that hopefully gets me a few sales within a day, so the store is actually profitable. I'll see y'all tomorrow. All right, boys, the 24 hours is officially over. The AI passed the first test of building me a great website and creating AI ads within 15 minutes. Good job, AI. That's extremely impressive considering a few years ago that would have taken an expert a whole day, and now a complete beginner can use AI to do it in minutes. But since ads typically take 1 to 2 weeks to optimize and my ad had a terrible AI caption with no CTA, I didn't expect to get a sale. But at the peak of my store, there was one person with my product in their shopping cart and another one checking out, which resulted in no sales. Close but no cigar. So overall, I think AI is an amazing tool to help you start dropshipping, but if you want to build a highly successful brand that lasts, you need to put some work in too, obviously. So if you want to learn how to make your Shopify stores even better so you can actually get sales, click right here to watch my in-depth tutorial on the topic. God bless and happy Easter, y'all.